Hello everyone. My name is Amrish, and
My name is Adam.
today we're going to do a program 2C for lab COA lab 3. Yes. Okay. So now, as you can see my screen, this is our code, and I'm going to start to present. Um. Okay. So first is I'm going to present is the first major addition for part 2C is actually the main menu label at the very top. I use the call CLR. I use the call CLR here so that it wipes the console clean and giving a clean look. Once the menu prints, the program pauses at call readDeck and it will wait for the user to enter one or two. Then the input will get stored to the EAX register. This is where the control flow happens. I use the CMP, the compare instruction to check what is inside EAX. First, I do CMP EAX1. If it matches the very next instruction, then JE, which is jump if equal, immediately teleports the program down to the hexagon code. If it's not 1, it moves CMP EAX2 and jumps to the array code program, which is Adam's code. And if the user types something completely wrong, like 9, it simply hits an unconditional jump main menu at the bottom, which loops them right back to the start. That is for our safety feature that we have. Okay, after this, Adam is going to present his part.
Okay. Can you scroll down?
Oh, okay.
Lower. It's at the end of the code.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean,
Okay.
can you go up a bit?
Okay. Can you see?
Okay. So I'm going to explain about our prompt continue. So basically, prompt continue is when the user wants to go back to the main menu. So first, we pass the address of message continue to EDX register, and then when we call write string, it will output the message into it will output the message of the register EDX onto the screen. So for the next part, which is call read char, is when a character will be input into the program, and then write char is for when it is the char is about to be outputted. So for our first, if our output is y, or doesn't matter if it's a small y or capital Y. In this case, it is case insensitive. So if it is equal, it will jump to the main menu. And it's the same thing for the capital Y, because it is case insensitive. So for the N is also case insensitive. Doesn't matter capital N or small n. If they are equal, it will jump to exit program. So when it jumps to exit program, the program will end, of course. So if the user decides to input besides the word y and n, so it will loop again so that the user can input the right character. So for exit program, can you scroll down, Amrish?
Okay.
So for exit program, it gives the address of the message by to EDX. So then when write string is called, it will output the message onto the screen. So for the CRLF, is so basically, in terms of to make it simple, it is in C++, we use nline. So it is the same concept for CRLF here. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, and right now we are going to start to debug. Okay, so as we can see. Oh wait, can you see my? Cannot now.
No.
Okay, wait. Stop sharing. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to put an input, let's say we put input 1, so it brings to the hexagon code, which is this. And let's say I put this, and we get this. And if I press Y, it will bring us back to the main menu. So let's say if I want to use the second program, and then this is integer input. Let's say I'm just gonna put 12, 15. And yeah, and this is the output for say the second program. And if you wanna stop, just press N, and then it says thank you and bye. So yeah,
Can you try to input the wrong word?
okay. For example, like what? If I put 3 or
Yeah,
4,
any wrong inputs?
okay. Then if I put any wrong input, let's say I put 10, it doesn't do anything. So if you put, let's say, -5, it doesn't accept it because it's not an option.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Is there anything else you want to add to this?
No. No.
Okay. So that is it for our presentation today. And yes, goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.